Alright, and welcome back to this 23 Nissan Leaf review with e-pedal. It is now 13 years since Nissan started their e-car revolution, and being a Leaf owner myself, I see that in this quality review I would actually like to see how the car is equipped and built, and to just draw you through what the simplicity or easiness of Nissan. It is almost the same as it is on the elder cars in terms of instruments and so on. Of course, this is probably a 8-9 inch screen with camera and navigation and all that, and while this one is equipped with e-pedal, which firmly brakes by itself, and eco mode. Yeah, I think there are two modes. And you can also see that just simple as this, and practical knots. I mean, if you need to adjust the mirror suddenly while you're reverse driving, or just have to follow with the traffic back, the mirrors are also big enough or large enough, and you have actually a map you can follow. Sorry, not a map, but a camera, rear camera, to follow with the traffic behind you. Otherwise, very actually normal spec car. While I can sort of understand why they can press down prices to 25,000 or what that is, or having campaigns down to 22,000 euros or 24, and I think the reason is that it is a standard car with standard features, but high quality or good quality, and that is actually what Japanese cars are actually renowned for. So I think that, like Toyota, Nissan has also seen and experienced and reviewed that people actually need solid cars who last, let's say, for forever, or for 10-12 years. And I still see that these Nissan Leafs on the road today from 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, that they are actually quite good in driving, and the driving quality, and the drivers are also content with the car. An issue is certainly the range and so on, and I can see that if I turn off the AC, we have 150 kilometers range with the 55% left on this 40 plus kilowatt hour battery pack, so that the range would practically be 300 kilometers on 8,000 kilometers. Actually, a new car. And I think we can take a yes and check this position of the car. Like these, they have good cameras actually on Leaf, and then you can see up here that there are no cars coming back in. Actually, parking sensor being activated, and just taking off. And now we'll try the eco mode. I've tried the e-pedal, and that just breaks up the car completely. It means that it's an automatic braking. The engine invoke the braking. It brakes for you, so you can what they call drive with one pedal. So e-pedal is off, and eco mode. Actually, eco mode gives more range than normal mode, or with e-pedal and so on. Probably depending on the driving style and all that. But most of us drive in highways in traffical circumstances with lots of cars, or low speed driving. So I think that I will try to speed it up a bit if possible. It's not a speed test though, and I hope you understand that. The quality review just means that we check the material quality, the technical quality, some of the build quality and so on for you. And by experience, there is also very little rust on Nissan Leafs, depending on where you are. Obviously in North Europe there are lots of snow and rainy weather and all that, so you will actually the wheels and so on rust by either not being used enough, or actually by letting the car stand out of garage, and in typical cold nations where you have like 6 months of winter in Nordic countries, and then you have like 6 months where you have 3-4 months of rain, and 2 months with sun. Okay, that was almost weather forecast, but but it could be actually a bit better on that high-speed noise cancellation program. But otherwise, it's very smooth car to drive. With that, I mean that in lower speeds and so on, it was it's okay with the noise and so on, and with trucks, trailers, buses and so on, driving on a motorway almost. You can notice some of that, but otherwise very nice. I see that in 16, 17 Celsius degrees, I feel a bit hot without AC on, and I think that has something to do with that small cars get actually faster, warm faster, and they rather than larger cars. So and like so the feeling of driving a Nissan Leaf is that you feel you don't feel that it is a small car actually. It has 1650 or so kilos with a heavy, obviously, battery pack. The car is wide, so that you have that general driving comfort for let's say 300-400 kilometers, and they are more steady than for other vehicles, such as I shouldn't say it, but okay, maybe I can just hint you to a bit of those small SUVs like MG and so on. The steering quality and so on is actually quite good on this one, Nissan Leaf. So folks, thanks again for your kind hospitality. I'm looking forward to review some more cars later, and enjoy your YouTube channels and all that, and have a nice summer.